One sentence awakening. The rich work with money, the poor sell time. Warren Buffett. When I first heard this sentence, something shook inside me. To think that you might have sold watches all your life, indexing a lifetime to time, and finally realizing that, in fact, you didn't sell your time, you sold your freedom. This promise whispers to us a very striking truth. Wealth is not just about money, it's about control of your time. At the end of this conversation, my goal will be waking you up, shaking you up, and to set you in motion. To rebuild your life, not only to make money, but to own your life by working with your money. The real cost of time. Time is the only real currency of life. You lose the money, you can win it again. But once you've spent the time, you can't take it back. Poverty is not just about not having money in your pocket, but who has the time. If you're working for other people's dreams, if you live your days with zero excitement, if you're selling your own time, I'm sorry, but they've tricked you somewhere. Why are rich people rich? Because they don't sell time. It buys time. What does it mean to run money? Running money is when money works for you, even while you're sleeping. So, making an investment, setting up a system, creating passive income, to be able to turn information into money. Rich people think like this. I don't have to live 24 hours a day. My capital can work 24 hours on my behalf. When making money for you is a time exchange. For them, it is a game of system and information. The basis of the wealth mentality. Wealth doesn't start with your pocket. Wealth begins in the mind. Poor mentality. Let me be safe, get a salary, not take risks. Rich mentality. Let me learn, let me dare, let me win. Warren Buffett says that. Improve yourself, then you improve your money. So your main wealth is knowledge. Do it. It's your discipline. The first thing you need to do to become rich is to reprogram your mind. What does the poor lose if they sell time? Working from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. at a workplace. Maybe it makes a living, but trading your time doesn't make you free. You can't spend time with your children. You will have to postpone your dream. Your company makes a profit, but you always stay the same. Based on this system, sell time, get a salary, consume, and stay in the same place. But you exist to create. You exist to make a mark in life. Plan to take action. What are you going to do as someone who woke up here today? Ask, am I selling my time? Learn a new skill. Set up a system, online business, investment, blog, course, digital real estate, etc. Calculate not the money you spend, but the money it will save. Instead of selling your decrepit days, look for ways for the money to work for you. Closing. What are you going to do now? 5 to 6 minutes. There was a promise at the beginning of this conversation. The rich work with money, the poor sell time. I'm asking now, which one do you want to be? Which life do you want to wake up to? Make a decision today. Don't sell your time anymore. Invest in your knowledge, skills, vision. As soon as you earn money, turn it on again. And don't forget, if you have money that you earn even while you're sleeping, then you are free.